This is the late evening of June 18, 2026. The awakening is here, the revolution is coming, and the people are fed up with the terrorists that are terrorizing Nigeria. The people are fed up by seeing the government that have the primary responsibility to protect them colluding with the same people who are against them. Now, this video is already on the public domain. It's already on the internet space. If not, I don't like bringing out such videos to the public. I don't like talking about these things in the public for the reason best known to me. The people you are seeing now are the angry residents of Anchau. Anchau town is in a Kabba local government area of Kaduna State. They chase away armed bandits with still matches and just with few guns. These people invaded their community and they started shooting from afar. That is their modus operandi. If they are coming, they will be shooting from afar. The purpose of shooting is that anybody who wanted to resist them will start running. But unfortunately for them, these villagers are well prepared. Both the children from 5 years, all of them, they now have revolutionary mentality. They now have that mentality that it's either I go for it or I die for nothing. So immediately these terrorists were shooting coming. These community people, if you have machete to carry, you can see few of them with pump action, many of them with machete. The people that have stone, the people that have catapult, like, this is a war, fight it with what you want. But you know what? The terrorists, seeing their determination, what did they do? They started running. And these people chased them. They pursued them. Like, how many people are you people going to kill before we get you? How many people are they going to kill before they will get them? Now, before I move forward, let me introduce this plate for you. But by the way, it's already on the public domain. Okay, if not, I don't do all these things. Now, this place, when you see this map, okay, when you see this map, you will see Anchau. Anchau is just a few kilometers from the secretariat of the Kabba local government area of Kaduna State. Now, there is this a very well-known place there. That is the Anchau farm. Anchau farm is a place, they use tractor in that place. They use tractor to farm and all those things. So, at a time in the past, they sent message like that bandits, all these terrorists, they call bandits, that they are trying to demand taxes, that people farming there should bring taxes. The information at a time gets to me. You understand? So, these people, I believe, they must have been preparing for what to come. And what came was surprise. The terrorists were surprised. They were surprised to what they see. Now, for those of you, you know, I used to talk about this, that any community who have the number and just few guns will be able to defeat these terrorists. I know what I'm talking about. It is all about the determination to defeat them. If you want to defeat them, you must come out. You must stand up. You must sensitize your people. There is nothing too hard defeating these people. Now, I am not trying to say that as they are coming, if terrorists open guns on them, whether are they not going to have casualties? Of course, they might be casualties. That is not our wish. But these people understand the cost, the price of not taking action. The price of what? Not taking action. These people really understand that if we go back, if we run, before you know, you will hear that 120 people have been killed in this local government area. Maybe it will be in the news now that 120 people have been killed. When the terrorists invaded the community, they started shooting sporadically and they killed 100 people. God forbid that. These people knew that, yes, if we did not fight, we would die. So let us fight and die. That is the moment we are now in Nigeria. Let us fight and die. That mentality is the only thing that's going to save you. Your military is not going to save you. Your police is not going to save you. Nobody will save you. It is only you that can save yourself. Now, you see, there is one thing I learned, that whatever people comes together and believe that they are going to do it in unity, forget about it. It becomes an ideology. They must surely do it. When a community comes out and say, any terrorists that come, will fight them, the terrorists will advise themselves. Nobody will get to that village. The problem is that a lot of you people are politically religious, carried away. You people are carried away, not understanding what is going on, not being sensitive to what is going on. You understand? Distance is not a barrier. If you are in America, you are in Canada, you are different places, and you understand this, you have this idea. There is nothing wrong in helping your people back home. There is nothing wrong in equipping people back home. You see, this community, if they have 100 people with compassion, generation to generation, no terrorists will come and intimidate them. The intimidation is too much. The intimidation is too much. It's too much. The intimidation is too much. Every now and then, these people, like, the intimidation is too much. And one thing I have been praying since is that may Nigerians find way and access to gun. More gun, the more you have gun, the lesser the insecurity. That is the lesson I want you people to learn from everything I've been saying about self-defense here. If they consider that everybody carry gun, the insecurity will end today. Who are these terrorists? Who are they? Imagine all these people coming out now. If they have, all of them have AK-47, those terrorists, they will bury them there, life and direct. This thing we will call insecurity. It is government-managed business and using it for their own agenda. If not, tell me why this insecurity will persist. How many are they? The Fulani militias who are killing people are not more than 16 million. They are not more than 7 million self. They are not even up to 300,000. The people carrying gun. How many are Boko Haram? Boko Haram is not more than 50,000. If you join all of them together, they are not up to 1 million. Give people gun. Give people gun. Like, give them gun. Everybody coming out to talk rubbish on national television. I see, when they are talking, I see rubbish. Stop talking. Give the people gun. Allow the people to carry gun. Give them gun. They will protect themselves. Stop spending military budget for soldiers. Stop spending military budget for police. Leave everybody. Let them go back to their villages. Everybody carry gun. Police yourself. Let's see this country who is going to run. How many are they? Intimidating people every now and then. Let's see how many. Let's see who is going to run. Allow people to carry gun. And time will come. Nobody will advise you to go and get your gun. People are manufacturing guns already. I'm telling you. If terrorists can manufacture gun, they said they themselves can manufacture too. So, we are moving into a stage of anarchy. And this kind of anarchy is an anarchy that will come from the resisting the terrorists. You understand? That is the anarchy that is coming. Because everybody will take laws into their hands because they will be, feeling so guilty if they fail to defend themselves. They will be feeling so guilty. So, I am happy. This information, I'm not supposed to bring it online, I got the message since, but I see that the message is already on the public domain, so I decided to post it. However, when you are not seeing all these things too much on social media, that is not to say that it is not happening. It is happening. It is happening. And the last thing I want to tell you, if you see anyone who is telling you the truth, even though you don't like the person, listen to what the person is telling you. When someone tells you about what is coming to Nigeria, even though it is Tinubu that is telling you that war is coming, believe him. Even though it's Tinubu that is telling you that these people are coming, they want to start what they stopped 200 years ago to conquer Nigeria. Believe the person, because they knows what they are talking about. Even though the person is part of the people, believe the person. You know why I'm saying this? Asari Dokubo made a video. Asari Dokubo is a mujahideen. He is a jihadist. Asari Dokubo is a jihadist. You know what a jihadist means? He is a mujahideen. But unfortunately for him, Asari Dokubo is now a royal person, overseeing some communities that is 100% Christian. Asari Dokubo at the time was making video and he started shouting, he started crying. They are coming, they are coming with war. They are coming to start what they stopped 200 years ago. He was talking about the conquer of Osman Dan Fodio when he wanted to conquer Nigeria. He was shouting, they were coming, they were coming. So that time, someone sent me this video you're about to watch. I told them, I'm not a fan of Asari Dokubo. I don't like what Asari Dokubo is doing. Asari Dokubo was someone who was upright, who was doing the right thing, challenging the power that be. But at a point, he made the U-turn and he converted to Islam. Finished. That was the end of Asari Dokubo activism. But what he's doing now is totally unacceptable. Totally unacceptable. However, if such a person tells you that these people are bringing war, that they are bringing jihad to you, he is a jihadist. A jihadist is telling you they are bringing jihad to you. Hey, pay attention and listen to him.
They are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are not pretending about it. They are coming with war, destruction and death. They are coming to occupy our land. Why you cannot go to your community? In Obama, how many Obama people are at home? They are leaving their home and they are coming here. Obama is a village. You cannot come to Obama. Those of us who live in Obama, we are backward people. Buguma is a village. Abonima is a village. You don't care. You are not bothered. But when death will come, it will not only come for Dokubasari. When the evil and the tribulation will come, it will not come for only Dokubasari, it will come for all of us. I'm smarter than you. I know that I'm more prepared than you. And when it comes, I will also run faster than you. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. Brothers and sisters, something seriously is happening. Something very serious is happening. And our so-called political elites and leaders do not care. They're not doing anything about it. They feel very unconcerned about it. Our political elites do not care about it. Our people are left rudderless, tossed here and there by the tempests and the winds of the sea. Nobody cares. Every day we hear stories of thousands and thousands of Futajelong Kambari Fulanis being transported by every means of transportation down into our land, down into the John Nation, down into Igbo land, down into Shekuru land, down into Ogoni land, down into Yoruba land, down into Edo, every day, in the most unthinkable factions, in their thousands. If you go to Bayelsa today, as I'm talking, all the fishing settlements and the farming villages are occupied and controlled by these fellows. We are job people, we are strong. Nothing is going to happen. A man is only strong when he's with his people, when he has enough number to overcome his enemy. We should not underestimate these people. They have our money with us. They have been receiving tons and tons of our money. They have brought Abacha stole and sharing it amongst themselves. A minister in a federation came to say that sharing the money in the north because there are no poor people in the south. And where are our governors? Where are our local ministers? Where are our women rights ministers? Where are our women rights lawyers? All of them, they close their mouth. But this is more sinister. This is more sinister. They are coming here. They are changing the demography. What are they coming for? You remember Osman Danfodio? How they came to Sokoto, to Gobiri, to Kano, to Katsina, to Bida. And what happened? They replaced the Abe rulers. They replaced the original people and took over the realms of power. They are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are coming. History is going to repeat itself. If we don't act now, they are not pretending about it. They are coming with war, destruction and death. They are coming to occupy our land. Why you cannot go to your community? In Obama, how many Obama people are at home? They are leaving their home and they are coming here. Obama is a village. You cannot come to Obama. Those of us who live in Obama, we are backward people. Buguma is a village. Abonima is a village. You don't care. You are not bothered. But when death will come, it will not only come for Dr. Basari. When the evil and the tribulation will come, it will not come for only Dr. Basari, it will come for all of us. I'm smarter than you. I know that I'm more prepared than you. And when it comes, I will also run faster than you. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. It's not grandstanding like Wiki. I caught 14 people grandstanding. This is beyond grandstanding. This is a time for strategy. This is a time for consultation. This is a time for meeting. Our very survival is at stake. We must stand up and defend ourselves, or we will all perish in the hands of these blood-tasty monsters who will give us the Sokoto treatment.